Somnibel, your solution for positional apneas and snoring. Somnibel comprises a small and light device that sticks to the forehead and applies a light vibration when you sleep on your back. This induces you to change position, thus reducing the occurrence of respiratory events. Somnibel reduces the time spent sleeping in the supine position. If you suffer from positional apneas or snoring, it may help you to improve your sleep because in a high percentage of patients, it reduces apnea index, increases blood oxygen saturation, can help reducing snoring index, improves sleep quality, reduces daytime sleepiness. Somnibel sticks to the forehead using a comfortable hypoallergenic adhesive. The device turns on automatically when clipped to the adhesive. Somnibel will start working 15 minutes after switching on. Remove the protective cover from the adhesive. Place your Somnibel to the forehead according to the orientation indicated by the arrow. Somnibel is fast, easy to use without adjustment, and comfortable. It remains in place throughout the entire night. Next morning, remove the fastening adhesive and throw it away. Connect the device to the mains to use it again at night. Check that the light turns on green. When the light turns off, the device battery is fully charged and you can disconnect it from the mains. Somnibel is manufactured by Med, a biotechnology company with more than 40 years of experience. If you want more information about apneas and positional snoring, somnibel.com. Somnibel, your solution for positional apneas and snoring.